Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, it does seem pretty likely that we are already in a wave 4, which would probably make some sort of a three-way pattern down to at least a 38%. Keep in mind that this wave 4 is probably going to last around the same time that this wave 2 lasted, and this wave 2 lasted 5 months. So I would expect this wave 4 to potentially last 4 to 5 months also before it ends up pushing back up for the wave 5. Heading down to the weekly time frame, the trend is down in my eyes because we did have a break of that to the downside. So I think there's a pretty good chance that this is going to stretch out into a much bigger crescent, something like what I was showing you on the monthly, probably something like this, lasting 4, 5, 6 months before it really does continue the uptrend. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I still think this looks very clearly to be a nice impulsive downtrend right here, like a wave A. I think this is an A, I think this is a B, and I think we're going to go back up for a C. So A, 3 waves up for an A, B, C, a B, and then eventually back down for the bigger wave C. So let's keep that in mind also. Let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we might have the end of a crescent. Keep in mind that it might just keep on trending up from here, so be careful. But what I think is going to happen is I think it's a wave A. I think it's 1, 2, 3 waves up for a B. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a C. I think we're in a crescent to this last impulsive move up. So this would be like the A. This would be a 3 wave crescent to that move up, like a wave B, and then eventually probably a 78 or a 61% fib bounce for another push up for the wave C. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me, it looks like impulsive down right here. So we have a Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. It looks like it might have already tried to end the crescent. It looks like impulsive up. It looks like 1, 2, 3 down. It looks like impulsive up. 61% fib bounce, engulfing move to the downside. In order to really confirm this is the end of a crescent, we need to see price continue down and stop breaking some of these structures. But to me, it looks like a possible end of a crescent, and it looks like it's probably going to make its way down to that 61 or 78% Fibonacci retracement that I was showing on the 4 hour time frame to finish off what I think is a wave C of wave B, which, like I said, is a crescent to that whole move up on the 4 hour to daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.